Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can fix error code 503. 503, okay, this error. I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error, alright? And I'm gonna give you the exactly reason. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials. I really appreciate it, and leave a like. So the reason why you're getting this error is because Roblox or the all system or just Roblox is down, or the servers are down. So it's not your fault. You can't do anything. Basically, you just have to wait. And I mean, you can try to uninstall. So you can uninstall. You can go to uninstall updates. Sorry, not uninstall updates. Uninstall. You can go to control panel and here uninstall a program and look for Roblox here. Click on Roblox, right click on uninstall Roblox, and then reinstall Roblox. Reinstall Roblox from here. Click on open, wait, click on cancel here and wait for the process to, and now click on download and install. That's the only thing that you can do to fix this problem. You can either wait till the servers are up, Roblox servers, or you can download and reinstall Roblox. Alright guys, that's what you have to do. I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.